This video is to how to fix a Bose remote control. First thing we want to do is remove the batteries, the battery cover and the batteries. There's a little screw that you want to remove. That's the only screw you want to remove. Now this remote does not work. There's a rattling sound that comes from here, and most likely it's an antenna that we're going to have to resolder. But removing the cover is a little tricky, and so that's what we're doing now. So we start from the top. I'm using a small flathead screwdriver and I'm propping it open, and if you can see, there's little tabs every 1.5 inches or so. So every inch and a little over 1.5 inches, you're gonna see a little tab that, as we're propping it open, we're gonna use another screwdriver, flathead, and just work your way down, propping it open until you get all the little tabs open. As you can see, there's the other one, and then you're gonna do it on the other side as well. Okay, and then we're gonna get this finally get this open. I'll show you how it looks in the inside. So this is what it looks like. You got the motherboard, and if you notice, this antenna here has two little soldering joints, and one of them is broken right there, as you can see. In some cases you may have both, and what we need to do is solder this back, and then it should be working again. So that's what I'll do next. So I'm going to be soldering the antenna right where it's disconnected. You use solder iron and solder that. Okay. All right. So now I got it soldered. It's not moving, and I'm going to put it back together. Now we're gonna go try it and double check, make sure it all works fine. So I just finished trying it. Works just fine, good as new. Saved me $100. So I hope it works for you as well.